Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. Up, up. One love. And for those of you who don't know who I am a short hair braider located in London, UK. I specialize in natural hairstyles and hair care. I am the face behind Speechless Hairstyles and Speechless Hair Care. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook to see proof of my work and to also learn some of the most extraordinary techniques to braiding and taking care of your natural hair. Self-care is everything, and whether you're a male or a female, hair is hair and hair needs care. So guys, this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. My full Speechless range is now available for sale, and you can purchase through our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. We deliver worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, just input your address at the checkout to calculate your shipping cost to your location. So my full Speechless range includes our Speechless Hair Growth Shampoo, Deep Conditioner, Treatment Conditioner, Leave-In Conditioner, a Anti-Itch Formula, and our Speechless Hair Growth Blend of some of you might already know. My full Speechless Hair Care range has been carefully thought through and formulated carefully by my hands only. There are a number of factors that I considered when developing these formulas, and some of the main factors are the different hair types, the different hair conditions, and how each individual hair texture would react to each ingredient formulated in each product. So I did not only test my products on myself, my husband, and children, but I have been testing these products on my clients with different hair textures and different hair conditions for over a year, and the results are extraordinary, and the proof has been and is still being documented on my YouTube channel, Speechless Hairstyles. So my Speechless Hair Growth Shampoo, specially formulated to retain hair's natural oils, moisture, and promote growth. This formula is very effective, especially for people who struggles with high porosity hair and dryness. The Speechless Hair Growth Deep Conditioner, specially formulated to prevent hair from shedding, frizzing, and detangles hair throughout to prevent breakage and retain sufficient moisture that your hair needs to flourish. The Speechless Hair Growth Treatment Conditioner is specially formulated to unclog follicles, stop hair from shedding, and promote regrowth. This was specially formulated for people with bad hair conditions such as bald patches, dry scalp, and alopecia. The Speechless Hair Growth Anti-Itch Formula was formulated specially for dry scalp conditions that cause hair to scab, itch, and later result in sores and irritation. My most favorite is the Speechless Leave-In Conditioner, specially formulated to leave you speechless with its exotic scent and its ability to prevent shrinkage and keeps hair flourishing and well moisturized. And finally, our Speechless Hair Growth Blend, specially formulated to promote fast and healthy hair growth. Our full Speechless range is now available for sale from our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and if you need any hair care tips or advice, you can now book a one-to-one consultation on our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk.
Speechless Hair Growth Blend. Carefully extracting Earth's natural goodness for your hair. We extract Earth's natural goodness to create spellbinding products you will not want to live without. Only the absolute best ingredients makes it into our formula with 100% completely plant friendly, transforming your hair in ways that you would never imagine. We love animals, meaning that our product is cruelty free and not tested on any animals. We work hard to ensure this product we created is 100% vegan.
After discovering most hair care products are brimming with chemicals, of course many of us know this can be irritating to the skin and scalp, causing all kinds of concerns, from acne to redness and even inflammation. This was not helped by the fact that these luxuriously packed products were expensive. I decided back then the only way I was going to be able to add effective and clean products to our shelves was by creating them. After several experiments with different clients with different hair types and different hair and skin conditions, I found the perfect ingredients that have resulted in extreme hair growth, regrowth, and thickness over periods of time. How did Speechless get to where she is today with this extraordinary product?
My journey began at the age of 7. My mother moved to a different parish in Jamaica to find a better life, leaving me in care of my grandmother, who was blind and quite incapable of looking after me. She would, however, try her best to look after me. For example, she would braid my hair for school. Although she couldn't see how she was parting my hair, she could feel enough to braid it. I was bullied at school for having granny plaits with terrible partings. So I practiced combing my hair by myself to avoid the shame. The bullying continued, unfortunately. It spurred me on to take charge of my own hair. And by the time I was 9 years old, I had already mastered the skill of braiding and mixing different oils from foods and plants such as coconut, aloe vera, etc. To an extent that I was the one taking care of my grandmother's hair. I would practice different styles and hair care remedies on her. Remember that as she couldn't see what I was doing, and before long, I was known as the hair doctor in my community, Portland, Jamaica, as neighbors started to recognize my talent for hair. But I never imagined I would find myself here in the UK fulfilling my purpose.
In May 2020, when the UK and many other countries were on lockdown during the devastating outbreak of you-know-what, bored out of her mind, Speechless ventured on a hair journey with her dear husband to show the world how extraordinary this particular product was. But even her herself was astonished by her husband's extreme hair growth after just 6 months. During this time, Speechless also used this product on different clients and family members with different types of hair in order to compare the results from her husband's and this client in particular who suffers from extreme hair loss in relation to alopecia. He started to see results beyond his wildest imagination. At no time during this experiment he'd ever thought his hair would regrow to such length and fullness, especially around the crown where it was thinning the most. At this point, we were all astonished by this extraordinary product. To learn more about this product, please visit our website, www.speechlesshairstyles.co.uk.